Today, guys, we're going to be making some $1,000,000 spaghetti. First thing we're going to do, we're going to chop up our veggies. So we're going to chop up some bell peppers and onion. I have here. Chop these onions up to the size that I like. You can chop to any size that you like. Alright guys, I had to rinse that onion off. It was looking kind of suspect. Alright, so we're going to use this whole onion. So we're just going to rough chop the onion. You can put it down. You can do it whatever size you like. But this rough chop that I'm doing is perfect for me and my family. You can do whatever you like. Yours. Alright, that onion is chopped. And you have this bell pepper. And this is enough bell peppers for me, guys, for my spaghetti. This is for the red sauce spot. Just like so. Now I have water on the big stove.
I'm having trouble hearing. Can you say that again?
I have a pot of boiling water boiling on the back stove. We're just going to add the spaghetti to that. Alright, so we got our ground beef here. I'm going to start to brown this up. I'm going to season it. We got some garlic powder. Some onion powder. Season all. Italian seasoning. White pepper. Some minced garlic. Now, if you wanted to add some crushed red peppers right here, you could. You could. So we're gonna brown this up and get this smelling like $1,000,000. So once we brown this up, we're going to come back and add those veggies. So now that my ground beef has browned up and smelling all good, we're going to put some our veggies in there, those onions and bell peppers. Just let this thing cook until these become translucent. And the rest of the ground beef is brown. And we'll be right back to do the next step. Okay, so now my onions are translucent and I have some tomato, basil, and garlic sauce. We're gonna pour it right in there. Like so. Like so. And I put a little water in here. Shake it up. We're gonna season it just a tad more. Just to bring all them flavors together. I'm gonna add a little sugar in here too. Just a little bit, not a lot. Just a sprinkle of this, and that will season all. Italian seasoning. You can add as much seasoning as you like, how your preference. Everybody know how they like their spaghetti, so make it how you want it. Onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of some black pepper. Alright, look at this. We're gonna let this cook for like 10 minutes. We'll get all of that in there. Hold on, we got the sugar. Not too much, just enough so I don't get heartburns. Look at that. Looks absolutely delicious, doesn't it, guys? Alright, so we're gonna let this cook. When we come back, we're gonna start on the white sauce, on the Alfredo sauce. Alright guys, so turn this on. We're gonna be using some Jell 3 cheese Alfredo sauce right in there, just like so. Add the milk. And I put this much milk in there. That much milk. Alright. And I just added it to there. I'm going to come in with some minced garlic and some garlic powder. Just like so. And this is the same pot that I cooked the noodles in, so I didn't want to do a bunch of dishes. And just mix this together. And by adding the fresh garlic and the garlic powder, that milk is going to taste like homemade Alfredo sauce. This is just a quick, easy meal on your table. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Alright, we're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes and be right back. Okay, so that cooked for 5 minutes. I'm going to add those noodles right into this pot. I'm going to mix all this around. Just like this. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells really, really good. Alright. Alright, we come back. We're going to assemble. So let's assemble. So this goes on the bottom. Back in get out pan. It's right on the bottom. Like so. What I like to do here is add cheeses between this and this corner right here. I'm gonna leave out cheese because my daughter don't eat cheese. There we go. And cover the whole entire dish with this. It smells so good. Okay. Go ahead. Add more cheese to the top. Okay. So this goes right into the oven. And I have my oven set to 375 and it's gonna cook for about 25-35 minutes. Look at this. It looks really, really good. Alright, so we'll go in.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
And get this on here. Oh man. Look at that plate, baby. Looks like let's eat me type plate. Okay. So let's give it a try. This is the one. All the viral TikToks, things I've eaten, it's gotta be my favorite. Look at that. I'm so speechless. This is so good. Creaminess from the Alfredo sauce, the spaghetti sauce. Oh my goodness, so good. It's well seasoned. Oh my goodness, this is delicious, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.